Hi, welcome to Top 10 Cheapest Places to Travel to in 2023.
And we start with number 10. Morocco. And one of the best things to do in Morocco is to experience the hustle and bustle of Marrakech's many markets. Marrakech is one of the country's premier tourist destinations. The city's busy souks and markets are where you can jump right into local life. Haggle for carpets, sit down for tea with the locals, and leave with many more souvenirs than you could possibly ever need. Other things to see and do is to sleep in the Sahara Desert. The Sahara is vast, empty, and spectacular. Spending the night in a simple tent on the dunes is a highly recommended activity while you are in the country and the stars go on forever and there's no light pollution to block them out. Budget backpackers can get around on just $30 to $40 USD per day here, while mid-range travelers can have a comfortable trip for less than half that. You get a lot of value here. The trip can cost between $30 to $100 for a day. For a luxury vacation it's around $100. And we go to number 9. Mexico. Mexico City is a sprawling, chaotic, messy city in the best way possible. Here you'll find world-class museums, monumental churches, grand plazas, historic buildings, lush parks, and one of the best food scenes in the world. It's no surprise that travelers fall in love with all aspects of this dynamic city. Or you can relax on the Pacific coast in Mexico. Vacation spots like Puerto Vallarta, Los Cabos, and Sayulita on Mexico's Pacific coast offer just as many epic beaches and resort properties as the Caribbean coast. Go to Puerto Vallarta or Los Cabos to hang out on the pristine white sandy beaches, or head to Sayulita to check out the busy surf scene. Surf and enjoy water sports, visit historical monuments, and check out all the local art by day. By night, you can indulge in sunset cocktails, enjoy fresh shrimp tacos or seafood skewers, and salsa the evening away. Budget backpackers can get around on just $40 per day here, while mid-range travelers can have a comfortable trip for $60 per day. And if you want a luxury trip it's around $150 per day. All prices includes food, transportation and attractions. Number 8. Portugal. Not all Euro countries are created equal, and Portugal is one of the bargain countries in the region. With beautiful beaches, a rolling wine country, stunning seaside cliffs, delicious food, jovial locals, and historic cities all at bargain prices. While as gorgeous in the summer, if you're looking for a cheap place to spend the winter in Europe, Portugal is one of your best options. Lisbon is gorgeous. You will fall in love with it. It has mystique, history, and great food. Take a trip to the Castle of St. George, see the 16th century UNESCO Belém Tower, admire the churches, specifically the Sé de Lisboa Cathedral, listen to some traditional fado music, and enjoy the delicious cuisine. It's one of the most affordable and underrated capitals in Europe. Porto is one of Portugal's most colorful cities. Spend some time getting lost and meandering the narrow alleyways and steep staircases that lead to the scenic Douro River. Hop on a river cruise, visit the iconic Lelo and Ermeo bookstore, tour the museums, and visit the surrounding Douro Valley and its many vineyards. Budget backpackers can get around on just $45 USD per day here, while mid-range travelers can have a comfortable trip for $125 per day. This includes private Airbnb. And if you want a luxury trip it's around $235. All prices includes accommodation, food, transportation, and attractions. Number 7. Bulgaria. Bulgaria, located in Eastern Europe, offers an array of affordable experiences for travelers. You can enjoy the picturesque beaches along the Black Sea or visit the historic town of Veliko Tarnovo, known for its stunning architecture. The average daily cost for a traveler in Bulgaria is around $30 to $40, making it a great destination for budget-conscious travelers. Number 6. Cambodia. Cambodia is a country in Southeast Asia that is known for its stunning temples and rich history. You can visit the iconic Angkor Wat, explore the bustling streets of Phnom Penh, or relax on the beaches of Sihanoukville. The average daily cost for a traveler in Cambodia is around $30 to $40, making it a budget-friendly destination for those looking for a unique cultural experience. Number 5. Indonesia. Indonesia is the world's largest archipelago, and it offers a diverse range of landscapes and cultural experiences. You can visit the stunning beaches of Bali, explore the ancient temples of Java, or hike through the rainforests of Sumatra. The average daily cost for a traveler in Indonesia is around $30 to $40, making it an affordable destination for budget-conscious travelers. Number 4. Nepal. Nepal is a landlocked country located in the Himalayas and is known for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural traditions. You can hike to the base camp of Mount Everest, explore the ancient city of Kathmandu, or go on a jungle safari in Chitwan National Park. The average daily cost for a traveler in Nepal is around $20 to $30, making it an excellent budget-friendly destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 3. India. India is a country that is known for its rich cultural traditions, stunning landscapes, and delicious food. You can explore the historic city of Delhi, visit the iconic Taj Mahal in Agra, or relax on the beaches of Goa. The average daily cost for a traveler in India is around $20 to $30, making it an affordable destination for budget-conscious travelers. Number 2. Egypt. Egypt is a country located in North Africa that is known for its ancient history and stunning monuments. You can visit the iconic pyramids of Giza, explore the temples of Luxor, or go on a Nile River cruise. The average daily cost for a traveler in Egypt is around $30 to $40, making it a budget-friendly destination for those looking for a unique cultural experience. Number 1. Vietnam. Vietnam is a country located in Southeast Asia that offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. You can explore the historic city of Hanoi, visit the stunning Halong Bay, or go on a food tour in Ho Chi Minh City. The average daily cost for a traveler in Vietnam is around $20 to $30, making it the top budget-friendly destination for 2023. And there you have it, the top 10 cheapest places to visit in 2023. Whether you're looking for stunning beaches, ancient temples, or unique cultural experiences, these destinations offer something for everyone. So start planning your next adventure, and don't forget to save some money for souvenirs. Thanks for watching, leave a comment down below for what you want to see next time, and subscribe.